This slice of pizza looks absolutely delicious. But what happens inside your body just seconds after your first bite? The answer is incredible. The journey begins in your mouth, where your teeth crush the pizza, while saliva starts breaking down the carbohydrates in the crust. The chewed pizza slides down your esophagus and enters your stomach, where powerful acids begin breaking down the cheese, meat, and proteins. Now the small intestine takes over, absorbing nutrients from the pizza and sending them into your bloodstream to fuel your entire body. Glucose from the crust reaches your brain, giving it quick energy to help you think, focus, and stay alert. Proteins help repair muscle tissue, while fats provide long-lasting energy your body can use throughout the day. Your digestive system continues breaking everything down, allowing your gut to absorb vitamins and minerals that support normal body functions. As nutrients circulate through your bloodstream, every organ receives the fuel it needs to keep your body running efficiently. But if you eat too much pizza at once, your stomach may have to work harder, leaving you feeling overly full or uncomfortable. Some people may react to ingredients like dairy or gluten, which can trigger digestive discomfort or food allergies. The refined carbohydrates in pizza can cause your blood sugar to rise quickly, prompting your pancreas to release insulin. So here's the big question. What do you think would happen if you ate pizza every single day for an entire year? Comment your answer below and follow for part 2.